Hey guys, welcome back. The boys and I are going for a walk down the lane in which we live in, and I thought I'd take you guys along with us. We're looking for animals, we're looking for bugs, flowers, any cool plants. So far we've gotten some cattails and seen a few chipmunks and a frog. So I'll show you everything that we're seeing and take you along with us. Enjoy. Where it fell. Trash yet. In the year we had tons of this Queen Anne's lace or wild carrot just scattered all the way up and down the sides of our roads, but most of it's all died back, but we're still seeing some of it pop up here and there. Now at the end of summer and the beginning of fall, we're starting to see common chicory pop up. We're also finding a variety of the asters out here. Now I don't know where this red balloon came from, but for anyone who's seen the movie It, when I saw it earlier in the summer, I just looked at it and just thought, nope, that's staying there. Now it's deflated and sitting on the ground. I feel like it's probably safe to retrieve. Black walnuts everywhere. Almost. Alright guys, that's it. We're back. The one's asleep, the other one's ready for a nap. So we had a good time. Thanks for coming with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.